Hello everyone, this is a feature video from Pontarget, a graphic design service that seeks to cater to the needs of clientele that wants printing on t-shirts, on any apparel. Also the graphic design aspects of the business. We do flyers, banners, branding, brand identity. We deal with things like logo design and so forth. Today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing. Yes, I'm unboxing the heat transfer press. Yes, without any further ado, let us unbox our heat transfer press. Okay, this is our little manual, flat high pressure heat press machine, right? This is our user manual, right? That out of the way, and so here we are. And power on. And there we go, we power on. And it begins, and it's not going to do much in this unboxing. Yes, prepare for some work. So our box, our phone, we just put this away, because you can imagine that we grow and we probably change out this press. Heat transfer press, we get another heat transfer press, right? Got a little warm there, yes, so it's good, it's kicking, but for now, that's it. And remember, Pontarget. You'll find us on Facebook and Instagram, and hopefully soon on YouTube. Pontarget Graphics would be the name that you see on those platforms, social media platforms. Our name is Pontarget, and we deal it from concept, design, and print. I am Zwadi. Without anything further, I say goodbye for now.